Mr. Garage here, and I'm going to do a quick video on a product that I absolutely love, and it's for my travel trailer, and I'm not sponsored or anything. I paid full price for these devices 2 years ago, and I gotta say they're worth every penny. So let's go check it out. Alright, so the product I am talking about is TRAILERLEGS. Now what these things do, they're these big yellow things that are underneath my trailer, and what they do is I'll show a video here after a while of how they're in use, but they lift your trailer up off the ground. So when your trailer's parked, your tires are completely off the ground, nothing's touching, and you don't flat spot your tires, and that's a huge thing. You park your trailer for a few months and your tires are just sitting in one spot. That's not a good thing for your tires at all. So they get it off the ground. Second thing they do, they make it really, really easy to service. So you can grease your axles real easy and spin your axles while you grease so you don't blow out the seals. But that's another huge, huge benefit to these. The third really awesome thing is if you're camping at a site that's paved, again, don't use these in dirt. I don't recommend it in dirt, but if it's generally flat and paved, these things make your trailer so much more stable than you can ever get with just jacks or trying to stabilize your trailer. There's no sidewall flex to your tires. There's no bounce with your tires trying to fight against the jacks, your stabilizer jacks. They just keep your trailer rock solid. Now, I've seen a lot of just people that have no clue. They keep saying, "Oh, these things are going to damage your axle tube. They're gonna do this and that." No, they don't. That's just stupid. Just stop. When they pop up, you put them on the inside, kind of like where they're sitting right now, and they're curved with the axle tube. And you put them towards the inside, like I said, and they're very, very wide. You can see how much wider it is in the spring perch. These haven't even scratched up my axle tube, and I couldn't even tell you how many times I've lifted my trailer and dropped it back down on these TRAILERLEGS. So yeah, just discount anybody saying that it's going to damage your axle tube. It's just simply not. Just like I said, stop. Again, stability wise, I mean, in every direction and in every axis, your trailer is so much more stable if you park on these, or you're at a spot with pavement. So again, in a little while I'll show you how these work. So we're going to be going out to a site called Lost Dutchman here in Arizona, and I'm lucky enough to have a paved site, so we're going to pop the trailer up on these when we get there. And again, it's just going to be rock stable, and it makes it so nice. There's just no flex. If you like my videos, subscribe for more random stuff in the future. And again, TRAILERLEGS, great product, and I highly recommend you pick some up.